If you have been to the doctor recently and been diagnosed with high blood pressure, and your doctor puts you on some pills for your high blood pressure, I'm here in this video to share with you little known secrets about why the healthcare system does what they do with high blood pressure medication. My name is Joel, and I've been a nurse and a naturopath for 20 years, and I've seen this happen thousands of times over and over again, and you have been duped. Here's the thing. When it comes to your high blood pressure, it is very, very dependent on how you feel in the moment. So when you have white coat syndrome, which is basically every time you go to the doctor, your blood pressure is high, but when you're at home, it's normal, that in itself is a sign that you should be listening to. The next thing that you need to be aware of is that your blood pressure medications are not fixing the cause for your high blood pressure. So number one, your blood pressure is high while you're at the doctor, even repeatedly, and the doctor puts you on some pills. You start taking those pills. Your blood pressure goes down. You think that you're well. You think maybe you want to try and get off them, but you can't because it goes back up every time you go to the doctor. That is a cycle that I like to call a scam. So I'm going to give you 3 things in this video that you can do to overcome your high blood pressure naturally. The first thing is stop stressing so much about your blood pressure, because in itself, the stressing about your blood pressure is making your blood pressure worse, which makes you stress even more. And it's a vicious cycle that turns into dollar signs for your doctor, because it's just more and more blood pressure medication that you have to take. The second thing you need to do is actually find out if your blood pressure really is that high. So get in the most relaxed state you possibly can. Clear your mind of all stressful things, anxiety, worries, cares. Drink a nice cup of chamomile tea. Sit by a fire. Just be so relaxed. Then take your blood pressure and see what it is. That is the blood pressure that you have most of the time. I say most of the time because the time you're asleep, the time that you're relaxed throughout the day, that should be your blood pressure. Now, there's times like when you're at the doctor's office when it's high or when you're stressed out, and those are things that you need to address and find out how to keep those instances, those particular times at a minimum. Before I share the third thing, please go to my bio and click the link for my free private community where we're going to be talking more in depth about how to permanently fix your high blood pressure. The third thing I want you to start doing, that's all natural, to fix your blood pressure problem is drink only water. All those sugary, caffeinated drinks that we love to drink so much are very detrimental for your blood pressure, including coffee. So, at all costs, cut those in half and double your water intake. Ideally, you eliminate anything but water, but I'm trying to be gentle here. So, cut those drinks in half, double your water intake, and you'll see a drastic change in your blood pressure. Stay tuned for the next video where I will be discussing more about how to determine what exactly is causing your blood pressure to be high, if it indeed is high.